nature. It's probably episode 3. I lost count after like 6. So this is about a little tiny mouse thingy with the rat tail that we found under a bookcase while I was playing video games. So it took a long time to catch him, and then he got...
I can't hear you, but you gotta look at me and talk.
So we almost caught him, but then I walked in the living room and got like a few feet away from the thing, and then it ran out. And then it got behind the office bookshelf, and it took a long time to get him. But anyway, we're gonna let him go. Yes. It was very sad. I told you not to talk. So we are going to show you the mouse first. Then people are gonna like this one. I told you not to talk. So.
Okay, you lift the lid and I'll look over inside the lid.
See him?
There he is.
Oh! He jumped at you, Ollie! Whoa! Where'd he go? Probably in the bushes somewhere.
Did he jump on you?
Yeah, he jumped right there, and he was like this. Ah!
Wow.
That was hard nature.
Now we've got a new home at a creek, a good 5 miles from our house.
Now we don't have to worry about him eating our scraps. And this was hard nature. And I just